Me aban nam sini dada e wa denta na the American say yai MMDCE say share yi ye nipa be 220 ahanu ene aduonu ye tie other parliamentary presidential aspirants nyina ewi e betie Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia ye kan say yai nipa ya ye kasa ewie no ye say ye de ya honden ene ye bibia e beta Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia chi at the time I call presidential primaries in January 2026 ye say ye hwe de waye e wo aman mu a na already no obe 41% bi e da ho a ye de ye pe e be ka ho emi akọ di nkunim in 2028 eye chance say kwakofo obi a or starting from ground zero ye kan so no say ye de ya honden ye nyansa ye sika ni ye bibia beta na chi e wo various constituencies na ye gidi say ta Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia chi a eno ya ade a e be boa party no because ye hwe de papa na ye hwe na adwen a adekese ekura no ne de kakra o ba be ka ho a na ye gidi say ono ni obi a obeboa yen Agyapong invited all MMDCEs. I was there myself.
Did you throw
but
support behind
we
him?
did not throw support.
Nobody.
His assertion that over 250 came to endorse him is false.
Body.
Today,
listen.
Chief, you have asked a question. Today, we are reading a statement on behalf of all of us. There was no statement read at Agyapong's.
Nobody declared any support.
We spoke, we rewind, we dined, and we left. Today we are showing our support with a statement. Thank you. Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia. We have also listened to other aspirants and we have come out with this statement as forum of former MMDCEs for Dr. Bawumia. Fellow Ghanaians, esteemed members of the media, dedicated supporters of the New Patriotic Party, we have invited you here today to meet the forum for former MMDCEs for Bawumia. We are a forum of 220 MMDCEs who have served between 2017 and 2024 during the tenure of the immediate past MPP administration. At this time, that the party has announced the election of flag bearer on the 31st of January 2026, we deem it important to let the rank and file of our party know our thinking and our observations as we choose a leader for the 2028 elections. Following extensive consultation with all aspirants and after a thorough assessment of their vision, their competence and commitment to the MPP progress, we are convinced beyond any reasonable doubt that Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia is the best candidate to lead the MPP choice. Today, 220 former MMDCEs, comprising men and women who have served at the grassroots level, with dedication, have signed onto this declaration, pledging not just our vote, but our time, our resources and energy to mobilize, to campaign, and deliver a massive support for Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia's candidacy. Our endorsement is not merely symbolic. It is a strategic and operational commitment, with 95% of us having previously served as either constituency or regional executives, some for over 16 years. We possess an intimate understanding of the MPP structures, dynamics, and electoral needs. We will deploy this experience to ensure Dr. Bawumia's message resonates in every corner of Ghana. Why our endorsement stands out? Me aban nam sini dada e wa denta na the American say yai MMDCE share wi yi yeah, nipa be 220. Ahanu ene aduonu. Yetie other parliamentary presidential aspirants ni na ewia ebetie Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia. Ye kan say yan nipa ya ye kasa ewie no. Ye say ye de ya honden ene ye bibia ebeka Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia chi at the time I call presidential primaries in January 2026. Ye say ye hwe de waye ewo aman mu a na already no obe 41% bi eda ho a ye de ye pe ebeka ho emiako di nkunim in 2028. Eye chen say kwakofo obi a all started from ground zero. Ye kan so no say ye de ya honden ye nyansa ye sika ni ye bibia beta na chi ewo he various constituencies. Na ye gidi say Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia chi a enu ya ade a ebeboa party no because ye hwe de papa na ye hwe na adwen a adekese ekura no ne de kakra ba beka ho a na ye gidi say ono ne obi a obeboa yen go 2020 ye da mo ase nyame hye mo nyina Agyapong invited all MMDCEs. I was there myself.
Did you throw
but
support behind
we
him?
did not throw support.
Nobody.
His assertion that over 250 came to endorse him is false. Today, Chief, you have asked about today. We are reading a statement on behalf of all of us. There was no statement read at Agyapong's.
Nobody declared any support.
We spoke, we rewind, we dined, and we left. Today we are showing our support with a statement. Thank you.
Every president has handed over power to someone they contested.
Wow.
Every president has handed over power to someone they contested. President Rawlings handed over power to Kufuor. They contested in 1996, isn't it?
Yes.
President Kufuor handed over power to who? Atta Mills. They contested again in 2000 and 2004, isn't it? Yes. And then Atta Mills unfortunately passed away and gave it to John Mahama in terms of he was elected. But the Mills Mahama government handed over power to who? Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo, whom Mahama had contested. And Nana Akufo-Addo has also handed power to who? To John Mahama, whom he contested. So now, who is John Mahama going to hand over power to? It's clear. Your mama will hand over power to Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia. That is what is going to happen.
It's possible. Very, very possible.
Just like I asked you the last time, what was the meeting about? Well, the meeting was just to praise them where I am and to thank them most importantly for their efforts in the 2024 election and to also ask for their support for me going forward. So that was basically in a nutshell what we came to do.
Yekon man makro ma yenyi prebu okwanso wo lala odofo ede ne wo hawe ede ne wo dadwen yare be na ye kwankwa odi echienchienchi a wonya no aduro ene na me kanfo Raboni Spiritual Research and Divine Medical Laboratory ediama eye Prophet Dr. Abedegu ene da no.
A wise man will hear and will increase knowledge, but the fools despise counsel.
Prophet Dr. Abednego ye odifo a eweye mremu awurade ayi no ama wiase se sunsum yare bia aye okwanko a Dr. Edikre wowo ene na me kanfo Prophet Dr. Abednego Invisible Teaching Hospital powered by Castoplanto Technology kai Prophet Dr. Abednego enye pray for me inti hwehwe Prophet Dr. Abednego achiri kwan wo insanwama do achiri Oreku Liberty House adase Fred Dr. Prophet Abednego 020-859-9576 na say 027-8977-215 intro do for kai se wo twiri bibi wo so na semba na bibi kura